cubed equal to y. So when you move the 3 to the other side, do you get y to the power of 1 over 3? So your F inverse is exactly x to the power of 1 over 3. Dì Hình, thế mà khảo chỗ Dì Hình. Hey. Okay. And later, Yunji will call your mother. You are dead. X plus 2 equal to y. Move. X is y minus 2. So this is the G inverse, which is now x minus 2. You know why I ask you to find these two first before I start the solution? Because you can see very clearly, they already stated, use any one of these. Either use F, or use G, or use F inverse, or use G inverse to get the answer. So that is the reason why I do this. Check. Let's go next one. Okay, we go next one. So I already have the answer of F inverse, and I've already got the answer of G inverse. So let's start the solution. Okay, now A, B, and C, they want us to find what is the composite function of this. So let's start in the normal way. We don't have pressure ourselves. Okay, A. Okay, they want us to find this answer, x cubed plus 2. I go one by one. Okay, to get x cubed, there are two ways to look at it. I remember teaching you this. First step, look at the overall picture. The overall picture here is plus 2 with a plus 2 here. The plus 2 comes with only as G. So you write down G. First step. Next step, you look at, you see a x cube, the one inside for the x. X cube can only appear when there is a f. So my answer is GFX for A. That's how I got my answer. I remember doing this in our lessons on the composite. But I don't know whether you still remember. Repeat back again. First, look at the overall picture. The overall picture has got a plus 2 there. And I know plus 2 can only appear when there is a G. So that is the reason why I wrote down G first. Next, I went to the X inside. X inside has got a cube. There's an X cube here. X cube can only appear when there is a F. So that's the reason I put GF. I'll give you one more example. See here, B. They gave me this. X cubed minus 2. Again, first step, look at the overall picture. The overall picture got minus 2. Minus 2 can only appear for G inverse. So I write down first the G inverse. First step. Step 2, I look at the X. The X now here is with X cube. X cube only comes when there is a F. Finish story. Any problem? Yunji, are you okay? Okay, last one. One more. Last one. Let's look at C. Okay, if you check C very clearly, if you check C very clearly, you saw C is x plus 2, 1 over 3. Always start with the overall picture. The overall picture got power of 1 over 3. So which one got power of 1 over 3? F inverse is the one. So you write down F inverse. First step. Next step, you saw there is a x plus 2. X plus 2 is something that comes when it's a G. So this is how I got my answer. Hash, any problem, Hasha?
No, sir.